Hello, I'm Paul Cave with KSI. I want to welcome you to the Farm Show Virtual 2020. I know this is different than what we would hope to do to meet you at the show, but we want to welcome you here to KSI and some of the new items that we want to show and talk about, along with some of the other items we would have at the show.
I'm sitting in front of the KSI applicator. Today we are introducing the SC series of our applicator options, the 02 and the 03 model, as well as our 4808 NGA drum applicator. As you can see, all three of these treaters utilize...
Hello folks, Steve Huber with KSI here, standing in front of our portable version of our SC03 applicator series. As you can see up top here, we got a hopper.
I want to talk a little bit about our 16-12-37 low profile conveyor that is being used now for a lot of different commodities out there.
My name is Bruce Frank and I'm here today to talk about our 18 BDC. It's an overbend offering that we use in the seed market generally, but it fits other areas also. Just want to go through some of the applications, some of the
I want to also thank our past customers for the business that we have, and we look forward to meeting you somewhere down the road.